I'm Lola.
And I'm Emmy.
And today, guess what we're going to be making? Here's a clue. We're making
Slime.
Mamma mia.
We got this kit from Santa.
It's an Elmer's slime kit.
And also over here, we've got some decorations for our slime.
And we're also going to put some
glitter and
decorations in our butter slime that we got for Christmas.
Yeah, 2 from Santa.
2.
Let's have a look in the box.
Let's see. Okay, now
Mum
let's
said-
dump it.
Yeah.
Well, that was time.
Yeah.
So we've got some washable clear glue.
And some.
We've got some washable
and-
clear glue from
and-
Elmer's.
And
And Elmer's magical liquid.
yes.
It's
And we-
activator.
And we've got 4 glitter and these are the colours blue,
They're glitter glue.
red and green and yellow and golden. I mean.
Yeah. And they are glitter glues. And we've got some clear glue. Did I forget to mention clear glue? I mean, I'm very old, so I don't remember what. I'm just joking. I'm only 7.
And I'm only 5.
It's
I do not know what we need this for.
a rubber band.
We don't need this.
Let's get on with it. Get out, spoon.
I need help. I can't open this.
I can. Okay, let's
Alright.
do this. Well, that was easy. Oh. It's me. This is hard.
Mine too. Get in there.
It's got
Get in there, you stupid glue. It's still going.
Okay, I've done.
Alright.
Just one more tiny little blob of
Yeah.
glue. Okay, I'm done with this.
I'm done.
Maybe not. Just get on with it. I mean,
I've used all of mine. Mine's all out.
uh-oh. You know what? You guys can just go this side. Okay, so. Magical liquid! I don't want to.
Let's start.
I feel like I'm doing something wrong. Okay. I'm going to stir now.
Me too.
I'm so scared. It's forming!
Mine is too.
It's forming!
Yeah, it is. I think I might have
Oh,
added too much glue.
I think.
I added the whole pot.
Me too.
I'm gonna add a little bit more. Of this.
Mum, can I tell you something? It's so easy because you have to put the whole glue in and hold this in, but I think I deactivated it a bit. I'm just gonna keep adding as I'm
I put
stirring.
in the whole thing.
I'm gonna start doing it again.
Mine's already clear. I won't need to.
I don't know.
It's turning into slime.
Magical liquid.
I'm ready to mix with my hand.
Magical liquid.
I feel like Spider-Man.
Ooh. And I'm Wonder Woman. Get it? Make it stop! Oh, make it stop!
Get! I want you to get this slime off of my hand because it's your slime.
Time to get in with my hands.
I'm already in with
Ooh,
my
I like
hands.
it sticking to the ball. It's
Look
so nice.
Because I put a little bit too much activator in, it's went all watery.
Am I Spider-Man now? Yep. Nope. They're not very good at being Spider-Man.
Mummy, it just won't feel good because some of it's cold.
I feel so
too
nice.
much activator. This slime's so stretchy. You can see my face.
I don't feel very well. Achoo! Ew! So I think mine isn't as clear because you have to wait another day for it to be full clear. But we do not want to wait for this video.
I think my slimes are really stretchy and sticky, and that's all I have to say.
We've got all these accessories to put in our slime, and I'll tell you what we've got. We've got fish balls with some little star glitters and some glitter glues and these little accessories. And we've also got these foam balls
Yeah.
to go with
And
our
we've
slime.
also got these. We don't know what they are though.
No one does.
Yeah.
Anywho, can we start decorating? Anywho, we're going to start decorating.
Yeah.
Amy, your slime's going to be a unicorn.
And Lola, your slime's gonna be mermaid.
Mermaid theme? Yeah. Emmy gave me the mermaid theme, so I've chosen these bits to put in my slime. First I'm going to add in Elmer's glitter glue. More slime. I know. No, it would be better. Don't pop, please, please. There we go. Chunkies. What? The best way to mix it in is to keep folding it over. Because then you don't get it on your hands. Although I have got some on my hands, so.
From when we were mixing.
Oh, look at that. Hold on.
That looks so nice.
I'm a mermaid. Under the sea. Under the sea. I don't know the words. Do, 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 do.
What are you going to add in next, Lola?
I think I'm going to add in these. Okay, so, yeah.
Do you need help?
Yeah, I need you to do it.
I know.
These are squishy little foam balls. I'm going to put some in.
I'm going to put these in there because
They are stuck. So I'm only going to add in like a few to be like little pearls. That's probably enough.
that's probably enough.
Okay, now time to mix.
I'll close it.
You can't close it, Emmy.
Yes, you can.
Okay. You can't argue.
The balls are
justice.
just flipping everywhere. Like that.
Yeah. And I'm putting them in my slime. As you can see, it looks like a really pretty sea. Is what I'm
Yeah.
going for. And then green. Oh, green. It's always a mermaid. It's always been a mermaid colour since the Little Mermaid.
Yeah, for a tail.
Yeah, look so.
Like a tail.
I love the crunch. I love the crunch. This is my mermaid slime. Now Emmy's gonna make her slime.
So I've got some glitter stars and some little tough foam beads and some rainbow foam beads and also some rainbow fish balls and I've got pink glitter and purple glitter and pink and yellow glitter.
What are you gonna add in first,
The
Emmy?
fish balls. So I'm
You're
going
choice.
So I'm going to add in the rainbow fish balls first. That's enough.
I came in like a wrecking ball.
There's some Nancy in there.
Well, yeah.
Nancy. Some Nancy's. Why are you vlogging this?
Just got to take a bit of the pug out of the slime.
I'm mixing it up.
Ew. She's making a very, very beautiful slime.
This is really good. I didn't put any fish balls in over here.
Not many.
Well, it's because I'm folding it over, like, to each side. Now I'm finished with that. I'm going to spread it out there. And I'm going to use these.
She's gonna use the glittery stars. Glittery stars. I mean, it's so satisfying when you pour stuff in, isn't it?
Yeah. You can't really see the stars. I can only see one over here because there's a fish ball. I can't see any more stars.
I see loads of stars.
They're the fish balls. Oh, yeah, over here. Now I'm going to see for the stretch. There's none over here.
There's like, there's a clear fishbowl.
Yeah. Now I finished.
That's what she said.
This out. And now I'm going to add in these. I'm so excited.
Fishbowls. And some more stars. That's amazing. Like, they give you really good crunch. Really nice.
I think I need a little bit more.
How much do you need, girl? I can't believe.
Good. That's good.
How many of these fish balls are there? Like,
This was so nice. Let's stop adding stuff in.
it's the fish balls.
Now I'm finished. There,
Why
and
are
I'm
little
gonna add
fives,
in.
Emmy? There's little fives in there.
Now I'm gonna add in this.
Purple glitter time. Glitter time. No. It's probably enough.
There's still some left.
Yeah. Oh God. It's like I want you to use all of me. Come on. That's what the glitter's like. Don't listen to the glitter, Remy. The glitter's always wrong, except for when it tells you to use all of it when you don't have to.
Yeah.
It's really weird.
I need more glitter.
No.
Now add in the other colour glitters. Open.
I love the yellow. Like yellow is one of my favourite colours.
I need help.
Don't help. Yeah. So you're supposed to do it not with the bottle. You're supposed to do it with the lid. This isn't working. What?
I love this slime.
This is really weird.
That's enough.
It's so cool.
Yeah, my turn.
Look how I love how the pink and the purple join together.
Yeah, it looks so nice.
Yeah.
Now I'm finished with that, and I'm gonna.
That is really fun. I just fell over. I mean, I feel like someone tripped me up. It's pretty weird. Naughty horse.
Oh, I didn't mean it that way.
It's unicorn theme. If you didn't know, because you probably are thinking, it's rainbow theme. It's unicorn theme. She just loves rainbows.
Fish.
It's got very weird eyebrows.
They aren't eyebrows though.
They look like eyebrows though.
I'm spreading it all out.
See, look, eyebrows.
Now I'm going to mix it up. It's going to be so nice, this slime.
It is so pretty. Wait, can I see?
Yeah.
Whoa.
So there's like pink on the sides, purple on this side, and there's like yellow in the middle.
And pink on the other side.
I already said that though.
And clear fish balls. No, you said purple. I can't wait to move on to the butter slimes.
Here's my unicorn slime, and I really like it, and it's really rainbow, and you can really see through it, and it's really crunchy too, and it feels really nice when you squeeze it, and it makes a really nice sound. In
the comments which one you prefer.
yeah, unicorn or
Mermaid. Mermaid, unicorn.